And she did mention how it was raining, and that's kind of a bummer, especially for all those restaurants getting excited for their first day to actually keep customers right there on their turf, but outside.
Yes, but the good news is it sounds like things are going to clear up for the rest of the day. Let's go to KIMT Storm Team 3 meteorologist Sara Knox to tell us more. Sara?
That is absolutely correct, Brooke. I was going to say, Mr. Somas, don't worry. We've got some sunshine on the way. It's not cooperating right now, though. We've got cloudy skies in Rochester, a bit of the rain moving down, wet rooftops, wet roadways, and wet tent tops, too. It's 58 degrees right now in Rochester because of the rain moving through. Meanwhile, it's a little bit warmer in Mason City, just further to the south, getting some more of that warmth here. It's 60 degrees as we speak, but kind of showing off the same thing. Maybe a sprinkle here or there left in Mason City. That's not really the case for a good portion of the area. We're still seeing quite a bit of rainfall now. It's all on the east side of 35 and starting to slip south of 90. You can see some yellows, some oranges embedded in there, but we're still keeping an eye on some redevelopment here just to the west. We are looking at some light rainfall with this, so don't expect the rain to end immediately. It's going to be kind of a morning battle throughout. But as I zoom things out, we can see that behind it there are some clearer skies, some sunshine on the way. This warm front right here going to do a few things. First off, it's bringing us the showers and storms that we're waking up to now, as well as more moisture. The winds are going to start picking up. That may be the biggest bother when it comes to eating outside today. 30-mile-per-hour gusts are possible. It's also going to be bringing in the warmth. Yes, warm front means warm air. Now, though Sky Tracker 3 here kind of not really showing as much rain as that we will be dealing with around 8 a.m., kind of showing just a little blip on the map or so. We are still going to be seeing some light rain chances throughout the morning hours, but by the time we get into the afternoon, that's when things move on out of the way. We get some sunshine here. Sunshine means heat, and that's exactly where we see these temperatures go. A very quick jump into the 80s, some of us even making it into the upper 80s by the time we reach 5 o'clock. And naturally, as the sun sets, temperatures will go down. Still a lot of us near 80 degrees still at 10 p.m. That does mean that, yes, a sign of things to come. Even warmer temperatures will be here as we head into Tuesday. Right now, though, where we're seeing this dark green indicating where we're seeing the 50s. Quite a few of us in the 50s now, where a lot of us were in the 60s not long ago. That's due in part to the rain. But once the rain moves out, the sun comes out, the orange comes out, and that's what we see spread across the map, that orange color indicating where we're seeing the 80s. Just a reminder, though, dealing with some relatively breezy southern winds as gusts reach around 30 miles per hour. Now, the temperature trend through the rest of the week shows that we are definitely going to be staying above the average, and Tuesday really draws your attention because we're going into the 90s. Yes, and with warmer air, with all of this moisture, we see a threat for severe weather. So again, this is for Tuesday. As of right now, all of our southern Minnesota counties in the orange and enhanced risk. That's a 3 of 5 chance for severe weather, more likely than, say, in North Iowa seeing a slight risk, 2 of 5 chance, but all of us seeing a higher chance for severe development. When it comes to the biggest threats, large hail, strong winds, we could see 2+ inches in diameter when it comes to some of these hailstones. All forms of severe weather are going to be possible, even the threat for some tornadoes. Now, here in the 7-day forecast where the weekend is always in view, Tuesday not the only day we have to keep an eye out for. There are several chances for thunderstorms throughout the week, even coming into the weekend, but that goes alongside several chances for more sunshine, humidity, a very summer-like forecast here for the 7-day. So there's a lot to watch out for, but it should still feel good if you're a fan of the warmth.
Summer is here.
Yeah, absolutely.
All right, thank you, Sara.